Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a vlog, small vlog. This is just about my 20 more subscribers to go for 1K, and I'm going to tell you a sad story of my Vivo V25 which I lost in Belgaum during my swimming competition. Somebody flipped my mobile. So after that I lost interest in making a vlog. I really miss my mobile, and now the sale is going on, so I have got one more new mobile for vlogging. Want to compromise, and here it goes. Realme Narzo 60 Pro 5G. I've just heard a lot of comment from the vloggers that it's the best camera for vlogging, so I'm also so excited. And here comes the unboxing. Wow, superb. I'm so excited. And here comes the beauty. Look at the lens. And it's Realme. You can see what are in this box: adapter and a cable. This time I'm not going to share with anybody. It's going to be completely with me. I can see lot many faces, happy faces, but no. This time I'm going to be very, very greedy, and no more sharing. This is completely real me. See y'all, let me get into this, and then afterwards I'll share you the review of this after my first vlog. Bye bye. Do like, share and subscribe. 20 more to go.